since we're going to China this time, we thought of telling you how the visa process was. We got a visa from our home country, which is India, and it was quite a simple process.
Although it took a lot of time, so the process is fairly simple because China has allocated VFS as the designated visa processing partner in India. And there are three main visa processing units in India, which is in Delhi, Mumbai and Kolkata. If you're anywhere else also, you can easily
Mail them the documents.
Yeah, it's not that difficult. And even if you go through a different agent, they're also going to go through VFS only.
Yeah.
So we would suggest you can do it as we did. You can directly go to VFS's China visa website. We can share the link in the description, and you can follow the procedure, which is fairly simple. It's a big form, it's a long form. I'm not saying it's not a big form, but
Yeah.
it's a simple form. It's just
Yeah.
gonna ask you a lot of your details, and then you just have to walk in. For us, it was a walk-in procedure.
Appointment. We did
They-
not have to get an appointment basically.
Yeah, the appointment section was already closed for us, and the process was pretty smooth. Although as I said, there was Chinese holidays, so when we applied, we had calculated that it should come back in 6 to 7 working days. But then,
Minimum, they always say that minimum 5 working days it comes back, and it did come back to us in 5 working days. But the working days is the key here.
yeah, there were 6 holidays that were Chinese holidays that were in the middle, which elongated our visa application time by a lot, and that pushed our other visa applications by a lot as well. So if this matters to you, please take care of all the Chinese holidays,
You
because
can just search on Google.
VFS China holidays, right?
Yeah.
That's the key. There are specific set of documents you're going to require, which other than your personal documents, there are also going to be like cover letter and itinerary, which we are going to provide in the description if you need that, for example or sample.
We used a different itinerary when we made this plan, but this itinerary worked to get our visa, and also we booked dummy tickets. So I think, Nikhil, we can also attach the link of that. No?
Yes, we definitely can.
So we'll do that, and dummy tickets were good enough. If like us, if it gives you anxiety to pre-book your tickets when the visa has not come yet, then this will really help, because this is, I think, the cheapest one that I found. And just a
And-
tip, that do both sides together, like return tickets together.
Even
And
if you're flying somewhere else, even if you're flying to Japan, South Korea, whatever,
Yeah.
just show them that you're going to China, and then from China to back.
Yeah, then
It's comfortable,
that
it's
Your
easier.
home country, basically.
Yeah, it's easier.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
And that works. And yeah, I mean, we are yet to go through China immigration, to see what all questions they ask us and what is going to happen over there. Honestly, a little nervous about it. But yeah, the visa process in itself was very nice. And the best part was we got a sticker visa, which I absolutely love. I love getting sticker visas. Nikhil is not a fan.
Although it takes up the passport pages, and we are cutting it a little close to the last 2 pages empty criteria.
We're going to have a big party when the passport pages all get filled.
And we're gonna have to reapply, because that's a big process.
Yeah, we're gonna go home, so it's gonna be a party.
Yeah.
Anyway, now we, I think
It's almost
our
time.
boarding has started, so we really want to go. This lounge, you guys, it's so good. I always say this about every lounge, but this is special because the Pina Colada here is. Let's go.
Alright, let's go.